So today we are replacing a gas hot water system for a diesel hot water system. This is a Mercedes-Benz van. Previously in the year we did the diesel air heater. So in this case we're not going to pair it up with an air heating head. But the customer rents this van out, and apparently he had his customers just complaining about the hot water system. So hopefully this will be a good test to compare one with the other. So this is the current hot water system. It's a Suburban. So we'll be taking this out and we'll be hooking up a diesel powered DH15, and yeah, we'll show you once that we get it out how easy to reconnect everything is. Basically you've got all the water connections. In this case, as we already have a diesel heater in, we'll tee up for the fuel line, and basically no need for an extra tank or anything like that. Oh, a little update. The old hot water system is out, and also I've taken the tempering valve because our systems have the tempering valve inbuilt in them. I'll show you guys later. But basically that made redundant a few of the connections and tees, which is going to be nice to tidy up a little bit the system after it's in. Yeah, so now we'll have to put the system in. Out with the old and in with the new. We've got in the new diesel hot water system, and we'll chat a bit about the differences. So this is the new installation where the Suburban was. We put a blinding plate just to cover that hole because we don't need that at all. So that means that whenever you turn on the tap, the water will go through that heat exchanger and it will exchange the heat with the furnace that will be on and producing heat, plus whatever is stored in the coolant tank. That means that whenever you turn on the tap, you'd be sending the water through that heat exchanger, and that will be exchanging heat with the coolant in the tank plus the coolant that is heated up by the furnace.